Assalamualaikum and hi again. Okay, my previous video I stopped until the area of a circle punya formula, and this one. Then today I would like to continue with the length on how to find the length of arc. Basically this is the formula. The length of arc over the circumference is equals to angle at the center over 360 degrees. Okay, now I would like to ask you guys why the length of arc is over with the circumference, because sometimes we might forget about this formula. Okay, let's go back to our circle. Okay, if you have the circle, then if you know this is the chord, this is the center, so this is the arc, right? This part is the arc. Okay, arc is a part of a circumference. This is your circumference. Okay, so arc is a part of the circumference, so that's why to find the length of arc you must over it by a circumference. So don't use the area punya formula or anything else, but you use the circumference in order to find the length of arc. So based on this formula, based on this one, okay, later on the formula will become like this. Okay, length of arc over with the circumference. Okay, what is the formula for the circumference, if you still remember here? Okay, the formula for the circumference we take as C is equals to 2 pi r. So this one, length of arc over 2 pi r is equals to, so angle at the center. So angle at the center we denotes it as theta over with 360 degrees. Okay, because for one complete circle the angle will be 360 degrees. Okay, okay, let us do some example so that you can understand this formula. This is our formula. The length of arc over 2 pi r is equals to theta over 360 degrees. Okay, so my example is, let's say you have a circle and the value of this one is 150, 150 degrees. This is P, this is Q. So the question give you the radius is equals to 12. Okay, this one, this part is 12. Okay, the question asks you what is the length of the major major arc. Okay, what is the length for the major arc? So you have to find the length of the major arc. Okay, where is it? Where is the length? Okay, basically we're going to find this area, this one. Okay, this one, that length. So you know that the formula is you know that this is the formula that we are going to use. This one, okay, this one, this is the formula that we are going to use. So how to use that formula actually? Okay, to use that, okay, you want to find the length of the major arc, okay, not the minor arc, but given to you the angle at the center for the minor arc, for the minor sector. Okay, angle is 150 degree. So this one is for the minor part, minor sector. So you should find the major sector. So how to find the angle at the center for the major sector? How to find? So you take 360 degrees, you minus with 150 degrees. So you will get this one is equals to 210 degrees. So after that, you can substitute all the values in the formula. In this formula, I'm referring to this formula. This one, okay? This one. Oops, okay, this formula. Okay, this is our question. Okay, length of arc, length of major arc. Okay, length of major arc over with circumference 2 pi. Okay, in this question, they asked you to use pi as 22 over 7. So 22 over 7, 2 pi r, and then the radius is 12 is equals to, now angle at the center. So now we are going to find the major sector. So the angle at the major sector is 210 over with 360 degrees. So this one dia akan jadi length of major arc equals to 210. Okay, I will write everything again. Okay, this part, this one, what happened to this one? Okay, because it crossed the equal sign, this sign, so it will become times. It will times with the 2 times 22 over 7 times with 12. I will delete this one. Okay, so length of the major arc is equals to 210 over 360 times with 2 times with 22 over 7 and times with 12. So what should we do next? Can cancel this one, and then 21 and 7, this one we got 3, and then this 3 and this one is 1, this one is 12. So this 12 you cancel with 12 at the back, so the answer will be 44. So the length of the major arc is 44. Okay, as this part, did you get? Okay, did you get it at this part, until this part? Okay, hopefully you can get it. So now I would like to proceed with the last formula. Okay, formula, how to find the angle of a sector. Okay, the formula given to you is angle of sector divided by the I'm so sorry, not angle. Oh. Okay, not angle, sorry guys. Okay, not angle, but it's not the angle, it is the area. Okay, sorry. Area of a sector divide by, okay, now we'll talk about the area. So we must over it by a area of a circle. Okay, still angle at the center, which is our theta, over 360 degrees. So this formula, okay, later on it will become, okay, area of a sector, okay, over with okay, area of a circle is pi r squared. It's equals to theta over 360 degrees. So this is the final area that you should know, the fourth one. Okay, how to find the area of a sector. So we'll go to the example in order for you to understand on how to apply this formula. Okay, my example is, okay, I'm using the same circle as before. Okay, this one is P, this one is Q, and the angle is 150 degree. If before this the question asks you to find the major arc, the length of the major arc, now the question asks you to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, this is the shaded region, the purple one is the area of the shaded region. So area of shaded, okay, area of shaded region. What is the area of the shaded region? Given to you, pi is equals to 3.14. Okay. The angle given to you is 150 degree. It's for the minor sector. Okay, this one. This angle is the minor sector part. Okay, now we are going to find the area for the major sector. So for the major sector, we need to use angle at the major part. Okay, at the major sector part. Okay, so how to find that angle? So same with the previous one, you take 360 degree, you minus with 150 degree, because one complete circle is equals to 360 degree. So then you will get this one is equals to 210. Okay, so you substitute everything that you got in the formula, in this formula, I mean area of sector over pi r squared times theta over with 360 degree. So since we want the area of the major sector, you want the area of the sector, okay, area of the sector, okay, the major one. So this one will equals to based on our formula just now, angle at the center 210, we divide by 360 degrees, and then we times with pi r squared. So our pi is 3.14. Our radius is same 12. Oh, I forgot to give you what is the value for the radius. Okay, sorry. This one, the radius is 12. Okay, the radius is 12. Okay, why is it that I take 210 divided by 360, I times with pi r squared, my pi r squared? Because okay, this part, when it cross the equal sign, so everything daripada jadi divide, dia akan jadi times. So that's why my formula here, area of the sector is equals to 210 divided by 360 times with 3.14 times dengan 12 to the power of 2. Don't forget the square. And then you press your calculator, and finally you will get 263.76. Okay, no need to write the unit, the measurement, but if the question asks you, you can write. It is not wrong, but if you didn't write the unit, it's fine. So basically that's all for the circle part. So hopefully you can get something from my videos here. I have 4 videos about the circle topics only. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and that's all from me. Okay, bye bye.